Hello, friend.
Excuse me, can I sit here please? Yes, please. Thank you. Hello. I am Raghavan. I am Sundar. What do you do, sir? I am a salesman in Mega Electricals. What about you? I am an accountant in the Bank of India. Where are you from? I am from Madurai. Now I am settled in Chennai. And you? I am from Chennai itself. Hello Raghavan. How are you? Fine. And you? Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you too. Do you work, Radha? No, I am a housewife. What about you? I teach in a school. I am a teacher. Which school? Nehru Public School. Where is that? In Rayapetai. Where do you live? We are in Thiruvalakani. And you? In Ananagar. Please drop in sometime. Sure. You too.
Let's go.
How to reach Diva Colony, please. Go straight. After some time you will see a big, iron gate. Is this Diva Colony? Yes, sir. Where is C Block? Do you see that park? The area around is C Block. Which side will be the number 695? Go straight and turn left. I think it is next to Happy Public School. Thank you very much. Please sit down. Yes. What is the problem? I have fever and sore throat. Let me see. Open your mouth, please. Yes, there is infection. How much is the fever? It was 101 degrees Celsius when I started. From home. It's same even now. Are you feeling cold? Not much. Do you have cough? Yes, especially at night. I can't sleep because of it. Any other problem? Yes, I have headache. That's because of fever. Okay, take these capsules. Thrice daily for 5 days. And these tablets, 6 hourly. For 3 days. Thank you, guys. Subscribe now.